it doesn't.
Good morning. My name is Gideon Gideon. First year masters in nuclear science, Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology.
Good morning. I'm Laban Tebon from the Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology, master student.
Good morning. I'm Geoffrey Matich, student at the Institute of Nuclear Science.
My name is Janet Wanya. I'm a student at the Institute of Nuclear Science.
Yes. Hello everyone. I'm called Demba Goodfree. I'm a BC student at the University of Nairobi.
Good morning. I'm Kimani Joe, student at Institute.
Morning. My name is Aitun Fawzatendo. I'm a master's student at the Institute of Nuclear Science.
Morning. My name is Joseph Howard. I'm a student at the Institute of Nuclear Science.
Morning. I'm Cliff Okegos. I'm a student at the Institute of Nuclear Science.
Morning. Emily Chapkat is my name, Institute of Nuclear Science student.
Good morning. My name is Bernard Moreri, Institute of Nuclear Science, Nairobi University.
Morning. My name is Caroline Kumbai, student at the Institute of Nuclear Science.
Morning. I'm Atina Pinter, first year student, Institute of Nuclear Science.
My name is Professor Gishana from the University of Nairobi, and I'm also representing the Engineers Pool of Kenya.
My name is Tom Anyamba, Dean School of the Built Environment, University of Nairobi.
Yeah, my name is Dr. Gatare, Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology.
My name is Dr. Charles Nyandwi, School of Mathematics. I represent the director of the School of Mathematics, Professor Weke.
I'm George Radin, Department of Mechanical Engineering, University of Nairobi.
I'm Elijah Mwangi, Department of Electrical Engineering, University of Nairobi, and I'm also representing the Institution of Engineers of Kenya.
Good morning, all. My name is Haywood Ouma from the Electrical Engineering Department, University of Nairobi.
Morning. My name is Tola Steven, Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology. I'm a student there.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kabasa Steven, Institute of Nuclear Science.
Morning. My name is Nahashim Nyambane, a student at Nuclear Science Institute.
Morning. My name is Wilson Cairo. I'm a student at the Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology. I'm also an NDT expert and a member of the NDT Society.